This irresistibly fresh, rich, ruby red, tangy goodness comes together in just a few minutes. So here we're going to make a cranberry sauce. So first of all, you want to wash your cranberry, put it in a pot or a saucepan, add some water, add a cup of sugar. So here I'm going to use 1 lemon zest. Now you don't have to use this, but this really makes the flavor pop. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the juice from the lemon and add to it. So at this point I'll add just a pinch of salt, just to balance with the sweetness of the sugar. So I'm going to cover this pot and take it to the fire. So I'm going to let these berries simmer. So once the cranberries start popping, it's almost ready. So you're going to let it cook for a little bit, and then this cranberry sauce is ready. So what I do, I just go ahead and add just 1 teaspoon of cornstarch just to thicken the sauce a little bit. And you don't have to do anything much. This cranberry sauce is ready. This is just a perfect balance of sweet and tart. Serve it warm or chilled and watch it elevate every holiday plate with bold and vibrant flavor. So there you go guys, this cranberry sauce is ready. Please like, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.